All right, so this one should be a lot shorter. So 14, 15, 16, and 24. Let's take a look at these. And I only kind of had you pick and choose these, okay? So first up, 1951, Winston Churchill, okay? Probably the most significant Prime Minister of Britain, of course, Prime Minister during World War II. So we talked extensively about that. All right, and then second up, Margaret Thatcher. She's going to be Prime Minister at the end of the Cold War. Prime Minister at the same time, Ronald Reagan is President of the United States. And I know we didn't do a lot of more recent history, but you definitely want to look into her and Tony Blair, longest serving PM and part of the Labor Party. So make sure you get that down. And then we go to Germany. Okay. So 1982, Kohl, and really he's just one of the founders of the European Union as far as his significance. And then Angela Merkel, so first female chancellor and honestly probably the leader of the European Union today. She's a huge influence over Europe today, and she has been in office since 2006. All right, and then we skip down to 16. And France, I just want you to know about Charles de Gaulle. So Charles de Gaulle is president after World War II. Okay, founder of the Fifth Republic. He's in power when they adopt the Constitution. So France is under the Fifth Republic now. So he is the founder of the current government, the current republic that France is in right now. All right, so we skip down to 24. Don't look at the answers to any of this. Okay. All right, so Russia, you got Ivan the Terrible. Sorry. You got Ivan the Terrible or Ivan the Awesome. And then 1598, where is it? There it is. Time of Troubles. All right, so this is infighting with the Tsars and the Cossacks and the peasants and all that. And then Peter the Great. Okay? Peter the Great, who is going to try to modernize Russia, make Russia very European-esque instead of Eastern. He's going to turn St. Petersburg into a very European-looking city as opposed to Moscow that is very Eastern Orthodox looking. St. Petersburg is very Greek and Roman influenced with the columns and all that stuff. All right, so then Catherine the Great. She is an enlightened ruler of Russia. So this is right during the middle of the Enlightenment, during the American Revolution and the French Revolution, the start of the French Revolution. And then Nicholas I, he is monarch during the Decembrist Revolt, and he also has the secret police that he's going to use to rule over Russia. Alexander II, of course, frees the serfs, and he's assassinated by an anarchist with a bomb, actually. All right, and then Nicholas II, the end of the Romanov dynasty. He is Tsar during World War him and his family famously killed during the Russian Revolution. And he's also, something we didn't really go into, he's also Tsar during the Russo-Japanese War. Remember, that's in 1904 when the Japanese had modernized and industrialized faster than any country ever has, and they kicked the crap out of Russia in a war in 1904. And this is going to lead to a lot of distrust in Russia, where they don't have a lot of faith in their leaders and their czar, it's kind of one of the dominoes that leads to the Russian Revolution. All right, so that is 14, 15, 16, and 24. All right, and I will get this posted shortly. It looks like my other video just posted. All right, so not what I want. Okay. All right, so see you guys in class in 2 hours.